Hey y'all, today I am doing an unboxing and a makeup tutorial using the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. It is a subscription box and it comes in a pink glittery shiny box like this, very cute. If you're new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do beauty, fashion, luxury, occasionally lifestyle, food, and travel. And if you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again. If you happen to be new, hopefully you'll subscribe and you love what you see here so that you can continue to stay informed when I post new content. So there are a few products I use and a few I did not. Y'all know how picky I am about mascara. I do not open 20 mascaras at once. If I opened each mascara that I tried, that I received, I would have 20 that were open, and it's just wasteful. So I try to use one at a time. So that's the reason why I didn't use the one from the box, but there is one in the box. I'm gonna go over everything in here. There are 6 items. So the first item I did not use. Everything is from this Monica Beauty brand. This is the Uptown 3-in-1 highlighter, shadow, and blush. So you could basically use this as highlighter, eyeshadow, and blush. Everything comes in this mauvey rose gold tone grayish packaging. And then everything is basically these black and rose gold contacts. This is what this looks like. It has a built-in mirror. Now, I did not use this, mainly because I'm not sure that pink will show up on me, so I didn't want to swatch it and have it not work and then have it go to waste. So I am throwing it into a giveaway. And basically, I'm gonna tell you what each thing does too. This retails for 24 bucks. It is a multi-purpose, time-saving compact that can be used as a blush, bronzer, highlighter, and eyeshadow. Yeah, I don't see this working as a bronzer. Eyeshadow, probably. Highlighter probably would work the best out of this for me, but it's just not versatile enough for me to try it. So I'm throwing this into a future giveaway. So this is one of the products I did not use. There is the Hydrating Happy Face Mist, same brand that Monica Skincare. And this has skin-loving ingredients derived from seawater. Hydrating formula soothes and calms skin. Light formula provides hydration before or after makeup application, so you could use it for both. I did use this. It was very refreshing and it smelled great. So I will be using that one for sure. I also used the HD Perfecting Powder. Comes in a box like that. Same kind of packaging that the other product was in. And then here's the actual powder. It has like this crocodile type of print. I don't know if it's picking up on camera anymore. There it is. And then underneath is your sponge applicator. Now this creates a matte, silky, smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. It's a long-wear universal powder for all skin tones, and it keeps makeup put all day long. I used it to set under my eyes and also around my mouth. So in my eye, my concealer is not creasing, so I think it actually works. That retails for 29 bucks. This hydrating mist retails for $29. I also used the Lip Lock Priming Gloss Stain, and it's in the shade Sienna. It's like the perfect nude color. Perfect. I'm wearing it now. It's glossy, not sticky at all, and it's very opaque. So I'm very satisfied with that. It has a built-in primer for long wear and a smooth application. I can't really attest to the long wear because I haven't really tested it out. I haven't eaten or drank anything. It has an innovative hydrating formula. I definitely feel that. It feels like I have lip balm and lipstick and gloss all combined. And it combines the properties of a lip gloss and a stain, infused with nourishing vitamins A and E and berry extract. That retails for 24 bucks. And then the last 2 things I have the Monica Beauty Volumizing Mascara in Jet Black. Comes in a nice pink bottle. I'm probably taking it out of this box. The mascara retails for 29 bucks. Rich, creamy, long-wearing mascara that won't dry out your lashes or cause flakes. Custom wand reaches every part of the lashes, keeping them separated and defined for the perfect flutter with flair. I'm probably gonna throw this box away because it takes up too much space. But that's what it looks like. And then the actual mascara, that's pretty cool. It's like a flat tube, flat and round. You see that? Okay, that's going in my drawer now. Last item is the Luxe Lash Serum. This retails for 29 bucks as well. It's made with a non-irritating proprietary blend of proteins and peptides. Daily use of this serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set. You have to allow it to dry completely before applying additional lash products, so you could have applied it before mascara. I just forgot, so I'm not really sure how this works. I'm gonna check this up too. Okay, so that's everything in the box. Only eye products were serum and mascara, plenty of face products, a lip product. I'm not sure what this retail is for. The entire box, I should probably look that up. Okay, so this entire bundle, $19, $29, $29, $24, $24, $29. That's over $100. This entire box is $34. So you get over $100 worth of products for $34. And of course I'll have my link below, a coupon as well for you to get 10% off. I believe that's what the coupon is for. I'll verify everything down in the description bar. And each month is different. Yeah, they have a different month this time, or different products, but I'll have a link below. You can check out all the information and such. Anyway, I did a look using the products. Obviously the eye products are not in the box. Not in the box because they're not in the box. If you guys would like to see how I did this look, keep watching. So my brows are already done for once. I'm gonna take some primer first before I put lotion on my hands because I don't want that to go in my eyes. My eyes are really sensitive. So I'm taking the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer all over the eye. I have no idea where I'm going with this look today. I literally just sat down and I was like, I need to film something. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm spreading this all over the eye, both sides. Next, I'm gonna take some of this stuff on my lips. And I usually do my Burt's Bees Lavender Honey Lip Butter because my lips are super chapped. Now I'm gonna take some hand cream because I don't know what y'all talking about, how ashy my hands are. This is just some Kors, I guess that's how to pronounce it. Kors, K-O-R-R-E-S. Pure Greek Olive Hand Cream Sea Salt. This is pretty good actually. I love hand creams, I just don't use them like I should. I should use them way more often than I do, but I don't. I do it when I'm doing videos, if I'm taking pictures of my nails, for a photo shoot. That's basically it. I need to be more serious about it. Okay, procrastinating. What am I gonna film today? That's the real question. Okay, so I have this box. I think I'm gonna go this route. Comes in packaging like this, just like, you know, your subscription box will come in. It has your list of products that the package has. And honestly, there are no eye products except for lash serum and mascara. So I'm still gonna have to come up with what eye makeup I wanna wear. So let me figure something out. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use my Essence Beauty Water eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna do blues. I think I recently did blues, but I'm gonna do it again. This is what that palette looks like. If y'all don't remember. I know the quality in the other video was kind of horrible, so this one will be better. This will be like an improvement of that. So, first, I'm gonna take a base, an eyeshadow base. This is Pure Creation Paint Pot by MAC. Sorry. Pure Creation Paint Pot by MAC. This is what it looks like. It's just a blue. Because it's pretty much at the top, I can use my finger. I'm gonna spread this all over the lids. And then kind of extend it into the crease a little. Also, if you don't own this, you could take, it's not really the same, it's a little more green, just slightly. This is Electric Blue Jumbo Eye Pencil from NYX, if you can't find this. Because I think this is like limited edition. Actually, I'm going to start with something I normally don't. My brow shade. And for that, I'm just going to use, I don't have one in that palette, so I'm forced to grab something else. Just this brown highlight in the Topaz Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. I'm grabbing this peach tone in the middle here. This is going as my brow highlight. Sweeping underneath that brow with it. It's gonna help everything blend smoothly by doing it in this order. I'm working with some pretty intense colors. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my actual crease shade. I'm gonna set this aside because I might need that brown highlight again. And I'm going to take this blue right here. Did I even tell y'all what palette this is? This is the Essence Water eyeshadow palette, Essence Beauty. Taking that blue at the top right there. This is going directly into the crease. This does not have a mirror, so I kind of do need this Huda Beauty palette back. This is going directly into the crease. You can make it as intense or less, you know, as intense as you want. It doesn't have to be this bright like I'm doing mine, or this intense. I'm dusting that brush off. I honestly should have used 2 different brushes. I'm gonna go back into that brow highlight that I used and go back under my brow. And this brush needs to be thrown away after I'm done this time because it's falling apart. Unfortunately, this brush lasted for years. This is a MAC 222. I don't even know if they make this brush anymore, but it was awesome while I had it. It's been over 10 years since I've had it, which is really good, actually. I'm taking a flat brush. This is actually a concealer brush, but y'all know that stuff doesn't matter to me. I'm taking this taupey shade here. It's like a taupe gray color. I want to do something different than I did last time. I'm grabbing this color at the bottom right here. It's like a taupe gray. It has a bit of green in it, looks like. We'll see when I apply it. Anyway, I'm applying over this blue, so I'm hoping it has kind of a blue undertone to it when I put it on. This is actually very pretty. I did not plan this look, by the way. I rarely do, but I like how it looks. I'm not applying it on that outer corner, just so you know. I'm stopping shy of that part. I am going to apply it 2/3 of the way across. Going back in again to that crease, you could definitely do a cut crease if you so wish. Mine isn't super defined. It's you know, defined, but it's not like a cut crease defined. You could do it however you want. I actually really love this look. Okay, I'm taking a totally different brush now. This is a more tapered one. This is Coastal Scents BRC N08. I'm taking this navy in the palette now. It's a darker blue. It's not quite navy, I guess. It's a dark blue, but it's not as dark as it could be, I guess. I'm taking this on the outer V. I might actually grab a black if this isn't dark enough. It's okay. It's not as dark as I would have liked for this. So because of that, I am going to grab something darker. But not before I put this down, because I do want it to still look blue. This is want it to be a little darker than it is now. I'm going to grab a darker blue. This is the Sapphire Obsessions palette from TheBeautyBeau. I'm actually taking the navy. This is more navy than the previous color I showed you. Taking that there. This should be dark enough for sure. I'm going right over that color I just put down. And you can still see the blue. It doesn't look black. Wow, what's this? I'm gonna take a blue liner for the bottom. I do want this dark, you know, so I do want kind of a black blue. At the bottom, let's see what I have here. This is Blue's Eye Kohl from MAC. It's a really dark blue. And I might need to sharpen it. I think I packed my sharpener. I'm going out of town. Yeah, I'm going out of town. And I've already packed my suitcase. When I tell you guys, I am so ready to get out of here. This is going to my waterline and lower lash line. Like, y'all don't understand. I have not traveled. If you know me, I go at least 2 places every month with my job. And I have not gone anywhere in months. I've been going crazy because I never stay in one spot for too long. So I packed a week early because I'm ready to go. Contrary to how I normally do it, I'm going all the way in with this. For the inner corner, I'm taking this shimmery silver here at the bottom middle. And I'm just going to use one of the same brushes I've used already. Just clean it off. Flat one. This is going in the inner corner. Feel free to skip this if you already like the look, but I want a little bit more of a highlight. I'm taking this dark navy here that I used on the outer V. I'm gonna dust flat brush off again. Feel free to use different brushes. I'm just gonna set the bottom lash line with this because these eye kohls do move if you don't.
Stop being stupid. He needs to ride off of your energy and get with the move.
Taking my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner in black.
She meditates like a Buddhist, 6-figure job. She the model type blueprint. You had a long week, just vibe to the music. Left a couple clues, but the nigga still clueless. Rather sit at home to be running back foolish. Your girl on the phone like stop being stupid. Ride on your energy and get with the movement.
For concealer, I'm mixing 2. ColourPop No Filter Concealer in dark 40. Actually, I don't need to mix this. This is actually my color. Under the eye area.
Don't be late. Hourglass figure, shapes figure eight. Never been fake, only real can relate. And when you drop it low, you can make the earthquake.
I apologize in advance. I forgot to turn my refrigerator off. So it's like a rumbling noise in the background. I'm gonna turn it off now. Hopefully it wasn't too loud. Taking mascara. Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara.
you don't need nobody. If you want somebody, I will be somebody. Don't worry about him, baby, he's nobody. I just want you to be my little quarantine, my
Mixing two foundations. NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation Marquises, along with the Circa Color Balance Liquid Foundation in number 8. For lashes, these are 118s from Red Hair. They're really long, but they're slightly thin, so they might look slightly natural. Gonna leave these alone for a bit. Move on to the face. The box does have some face products, so I'm going to be using those. Forgot I had a mascara in here too. And a lash serum, but as y'all know, I don't like opening up 10 mascaras at once. So I'm going to try these later. But there are some other products I can use. This is the mascara. This is the lash serum. It's going to be used later, because I have stuff like that open already. Before I continue, I am going to use this HD Perfecting Powder that comes in here. That's usually universal, so it'll work for anyone. Also comes with a black and rose logo. Has a little lizard alligator type of pattern. Something under here. There's a powder puff underneath. I won't use that now. I'll just use a brush. I'll stick to the sponge for travel purposes. But I will use this. And for this, I'm gonna use this to set my under eye. Just a random powder brush. And I'm gonna set other places that I want to be matte, which is basically around here. MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural and Sun Power. This is a 109. For highlight, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter and Molten Gold. This is just a random fan brush. For lips, I'm taking this other product, Mana Kadar Beauty Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain. Hopefully this is a good lip color to go with this lip. I didn't even look at the lip color, so I have no idea. The color is called Sienna, so I'm assuming it's like, okay, it's a nude. Perfect. It's like a nude pink. You can see that. As you can see, it's kind of like an opaque gloss. And it feels really good. I'm not going to press my lips together until I do the top and bottom, but it feels really creamy. That's a really pretty nude gloss. I love it. I'm going to take a light doppling of blush. This is Clean Color Sunbaked. I forgot the name of it. Just a MAC 165. I'm taking some of this on the apples of my cheeks just for a little more color there. So I feel like it's really bronzed and nothing else. Bronzed and highlighted. I'm taking a little extra just for picture purposes. There's also one more product in the box. The Mana Kadar Skincare Hydrating Face Mist. I normally don't use these in videos, but I'm gonna do it today just because it's here. That's a really pleasant scent. Okay, it has some type of Rosa Hybrid Flower Extract and Flower Extract. It smells good. Hope y'all enjoyed my look using these products. It's a really great box for the price. All of these face products and eye products that are in here are over 20 bucks. Everything is over $100. Let's see, 58. I'm gonna calculate it now. I feel like it now. 154. So it's $154 worth of products forgot again. 154 products for only $34. It's a great deal, even if you were to use or keep 2 of the products in the box. Still a good deal because that would be over the price of the box. So rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications, leave a comment below, let me know how you like this look. And also, if you've ever tried the subscription box, I'll also have a link down below for you as well as a coupon in case you're interested in grabbing one for yourself. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.
How you fit in those jeans? Girl, you deserve it. Vacation on me. Under the cabana, getting thrown on the beach. Laying on the sand, that's your vitamin C. Then open wide, get your vitamin